In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a line of best fit and a scatter plot in Desmos. And to start out with, I have this data that I've have in a Google Sheet. And this data happens to be the 2018 Major League Soccer season. So I've got the teams in the United States, and I have the games they played here just to show that they all played the same number of games, and then the number of points and the number of wins. So what I wanted to look at is if the teams scored higher, does that mean they won more games? And I would expect that they would, but let's see. So the first thing we want to do is select all these two columns. And so I'm just clicking and dragging down to the bottom so that the data is selected. Then I'm using Control-C to copy it. You could right-click and copy it that way. Then in a new tab, I'm going to Desmos. And I'm just using Control-V to paste the data there. And that is the scatter plot. And it said that it zoomed to fit. You can change that around if you want. So the table here is our data. So this first column is the points, and the second column is the number of wins. And we have it graphed here nicely. Now, to create a line of best fit, we need to write in a line of code right here. And it's just going to be in the format y equals mx plus b, but what we want to do is we want to say, well, I want to use these specific y's and these specific x's and get a line that's really close to them. And so instead of y, we want to use the name that we have here, which is y1. Instead of x, we're going to use the x that we have here, which is x1. And so we just type y1, and it automatically knows that I want that as a subscript. So, and it just wrote it that way. Now, instead of equals, because a line of best fit is approximate, we want to use our symbol for approximate. And on the keyboard, it's often to the left of the number 1. So it's the approximate. So again, the format's y equals mx plus b. So m comes next. Then instead of x, we're saying x1 plus b. And there's our line of best fit. And if we want to know the equation, here's the m and the b. We would just, so if I wanted to write that as an equation, I would say y equals, and instead of m, I would use this number right here, which is 0.332514. Then x plus, and for the b, we want to use the number that's right here, which is a negative. So I'm going to, change that to a minus sign, 2.36697. My eyes are terrible. And so if we can turn that off and on, and you can see that that's the same line. So there's our line of best fit. And I think that's a new thing in Desmos. If not, I found it recently, and I think it's fabulous. And there's lots of information here that it's giving us that I'll talk about in another video. Thanks.